Hello, it's Deborah Lee, QnDebraofMakeup.com, live for you today with a tutorial using our palette number 4, the Moodstruck Addiction palette. And we are going to be using Honest, Cheerful, Triumphant, and Tender as our colors today. I've already applied all my other makeup, and I am ready to do my eyes. And we hope to have this be a 15-minute video, so it is short and sweet. Let's start off first with the color. Hold on just a second. With the color Cheerful. And I'm going to use these brushes right here today. My blending brush is always keyed with every look I do. My crease brush, my fluffy crease brush, and a deluxe brush. And if I need it, I have another clean crease brush. These are all unique brushes except for this one, which is a Morphe brush. Oh gosh, don't ask me. Okay, let's begin. Cheerful is the color we're going to work with, and I'm going to go with this smaller brush for this step. The crease brush. This that is shorter and more dense. And the color Cheerful is this color right here. Here we go, ladies. All you do with our products is tap into the color and then tap off for any excess. And we are going to focus on this corner color here. Most of my videos, we do that closer to the end. But today, we are starting off with a color in the corner. I've already put primer on my eye. So my product is going to stick and adhere a lot better to my eyelid, and it will be a more vivid. I'm going to go in about midway into the pupil of the eye for this little section. And there's one eye. Let's do the other. Right here on the crease, going up just a little bit, as I have what's called a hooded eye syndrome, where my skin, due to mature skin, starting to wrinkle and sag, and it is falling down over the lid of my eye. And I mainly kind of just tap this in and move it around ever so lightly, as we are going to blend it here in just a bit. And again, I'm going to carry this in to like the center of the eye, right here where your pupil goes. Okay? Going to be a beautiful. These are our addiction palettes. We have 7 of these addiction palettes with different colors in each one, and you get 7 colors out of the addiction palettes. It's a nice palette. Okay, next, let's take our blending brush and let's blend a little bit and soften this, just like this. And the farther back you hold your brush, the more you can get your product to move around, because you're moving it around lightly. Just like that. Soften, soften, soften. Just make that all so pretty. And if you all need to add any more, it's all very blendable and buildable. So if I feel I don't have enough, if I've blended way too much out, I can add more later. It all depends on how you want your look to be. If you want it to be a lighter look for a daytime look, then blend it more. If you want it to be a nighttime look, either add more product or don't blend as much. But you definitely want to smooth out your edges, just like that. Next, the color we're going to use is the color Honest, this beautiful, like steel blue color. And with that one, I'm going to go on the inner part of the eye, from the middle in. Honest, it's called. And here we go. Again, I'm going to just kind of pat it on, and this time I'm using the Fluffy Crease Brush by Unique. Just like that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And going right up to the crease. Kind of meeting with the other line there. Right in there. There we go. Let's do the other eye. And pat and move it around a bit. And there we go. There. I think I like that. I have an itch, sorry. Okay, next we're going to go in with a deep dark color called Triumph. With that one, I'm going to go in with the other little crease brush that I had instead of using the one I used previous. And I'm going to tap into that. You could, since you started with the lighter color and went to the darker, you could use that same brush I used before. But since I already have another one of these, this is how I'm going to do it. And I'm just going to tap that in the corner and go up in that crease. Look at how that pops. Love, love, love this look, baby. This is my first time doing this look. I play with these palettes and play with these colors a lot, but I don't necessarily always do the same thing every time. So, look at that. Now, even bring that up just a little bit more, or blend it on up. That is a beautiful color right there. I do have a little crinkling going on, so I'm trying to press that right into that. And make this go up just a little more. Just by blending. Okay. You still want some of that other color from the other one to come out underneath there. So I'm going to soften this, and then I'm going to go back in with that cheerful color and apply it on top, as that will help compensate a hooded eye. The higher up you can bring your shade of color. Just like that. Always try to swirl or brush it upwards, giving yourself a better uplift to your eye. And I can always use my finger to also work the magic. Okay, I'm going to go back in. This time, I'm going to use one that's a more detailed brush. This is that Morphe brush. I'm going to take that cheerful and just hug the edge of that, just like that. Let's do this side, just taking the bristles of the brush to do the job. Okay, next we are going to take the color Tinder. And I'm going to use now the Deluxe brush by Unique. And we are going to do some highlight right in here. And do a little bit over in here. And we were going to sculpt out right underneath that brow, which also helps to pop that eye open. And I'm going to add a little bit right in here. Next, we're going to do our mascara. I'm running out of time. I put my mascaras in here close to my heart. It's actually in your breast area. Don't tell anybody. It's in my bra area. And here we go. Let's see if we can keep that out of there. I think I've only got a couple minutes left of my video to apply my primer, but today we're just going to do quick. Let me show you the 4D mascara. It's made with a special wand, and it's got fine, minute fibers infused in the mascara. And what you have to do is wiggle it back and forth into your lashes to let it get on your lashes and do the job of creating thick, long lashes. And you can apply this more than once. I will probably only give you one sweep. We'll see how much time we have. And try not to stick it in your eye. Right over here. My color of lipstick today was Successful. And I also used in my splash lipstick, and I also used Lucid in our gloss, and I used Posh, I believe it is, in our lip liner. If you're interested in any of our products, do not hesitate to go to QnDebraofMakeup.com. Try our beauty guide there. Have fun, look around, and there's no obligation. Okay. We are almost done, ladies. I am headed off to an anniversary party. I hope you all are having a great and exciting evening. And I thank you so much for stopping in and watching QnDebraofMakeup.com. I'll see you guys on the flip-flop. Bye-bye.